Next, the most important form, normal form. This is the equation. Again, we always take the equation of the line which is given in the question number 21. 2x minus 4y plus 11. To find cos alpha and sin alpha, this is the form x cos alpha plus y sin alpha. We will take the coefficients 2 and minus 4. This is also called a and b. 2 square and 4 square, it will become under root 20. Divide under root 20 by whole equation, and taking minus 11 again on the second side. We will divide also minus sign. We will multiply all with minus sign so that this will become positive. Now this is the normal form. Just you have to take the two numbers 2 and 4, squaring and adding. This is almost the same way of calculating the hypotenuse. How do you calculate the hypotenuse? For cos alpha and sin alpha, we need h square, h which is v square plus p square. So this is also, and how do we calculate h is equal to under root b square plus p square. This will remind you how you calculate the hypotenuse. We have calculated hypotenuse and divided it by the both sides, the whole sides. So this will become cos alpha, this will become sin alpha, and this is p, which is the distance from origin. In this question, if you read it in question number 21, very important question, most of the time a question comes from this. Also find the distance, the length of the perpendicular from origin, and this is p. How do we calculate the length? P is also called this 11 over under root 20 in the normal form is p here. P is equal is length of perpendicular from origin. So we have calculated it 11 over under root 20. Not difficult, but very easy but different. Now the second x-intercept and y-intercept form, the 2-point form, sorry, 2-point form. We are calculating 2-point form. इसमें हमें दो पॉइंट्स चाहिए. दो पॉइंट्स हमने यहाँ से देखें, एक्स इंटरसेप्ट वाई इंटरसेप्ट निकाला था ना, यही एक्स इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म से निकलेगी. ये पहले इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म निकलेगी. इसमें एक्स इंटरसेप्ट हमारे पास, अगर एक्स इंटरसेप्ट में एक्स की वैल्यू ये होती है, वाई की वैल्यू 0 होती है. ये आपने 5th चैप्टर में किया. वाई इंटरसेप्ट में वाई की वैल्यू गिवन होती है और एक्स की 0 होती है. तो ये हमारे पास दो पॉइंट्स निकल आए. एक पॉइंट ये निकल आया एक्स इंटरसेप्ट से, और एक we have calculated from y-intercept. Next, how do we take one point, x minus x1. This is 1 point, x minus 11 over 2. This will become x plus 11 over 2. Y minus 0. M, how do we calculate? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. सिमेट्रिक फॉर्म, ये भी नॉर्मल फॉर्म से आपको बताई थी. कॉस अल्फा और साइन अल्फा पिछली क्वेश्चन से लेंगे नॉर्मल फॉर्म से. -2 over under root 20, 4 over under root 20. पॉइंट यहाँ से ले लेते हैं एक्स इंटरसेप्ट से. देन एक्स की वैल्यू 0 और वाई की 11, सॉरी एक्स की -11 over 2 में आई थिंक आई हैव written on the wrong side, or we can I think we have take this point. So we can take any point. So we have taken the point from y intercept. कोई भी एक पॉइंट लेना, ये ले लें, ये ले लें. इसमें मैंने ये लिया है. एक्स की वैल्यू 0 ली, वाई की वैल्यू 11 over 4. आप y की 0 और x की 11 over -11 over 2 भी ले सकते हैं, whatever you want. And r is equal to r. This is the form of the equation.